Tips for starting your online business. I'm the mindset and marketing wizard. My name is Robbie Cornelius, and I built multiple companies using the power of the internet. And believe it or not, I got my hands on hundreds of companies on the internet. I know that sounds far-fetched, but I'm telling you the truth. But most importantly, in this video, I gotta give you some tips for helping you start your online business. The first thing you gotta do is you gotta identify your niche. You've heard that from multiple people and it sounds very boring, and trust me, it can be, especially if you have a niche that nobody gives a flip about. But if you're passionate about the niche and other people are interested in the niche, you can scratch your own niche. And with consistency and monetization, you can get rich. The next tip is a little boring too, but it's effective if done right. Some people say create a business plan. I say create an online business model. The model is the plan. You can plan all you want, but if you don't have a model, then the business plan is just a plan. So come up with a business model. How are you going to monetize? If you care about making money, of course. And yeah, some people get lucky and their hobby ends up becoming a business model. But if you can start out with a business model, that's going to give you the motivation to keep seeing it through. The next thing you want to do is come up with a robust business marketing strategy. Now, marketing is not advertising, and advertising is not marketing. Marketing is identifying your niche. Advertising is getting the product or service or message in front of the niche. Those are two different things, but a lot of people don't know that. So when I say develop your marketing strategy, I mean discover a process of discovering your market. When you discover your market, now you got to get your information or your product or service in their face. And if you're going to build an online business by using the power of the internet, then use the internet to advertise your online business. Social media is a good one. Discover where your market is hanging out on the internet and post content on a consistent basis in front of them every single day, multiple times a day. Don't forget to give them a call to action, just like I'm doing in this video when I'm telling you to visit webassetgroup.com. You also got to make sure your product and service is good. Yeah, after you discover if people want your product or service or not, now you got to ask yourself, is my product or service even good? If it's good and nobody is buying, you got to go back to the drawing board and readjust. Maybe it's the marketing. Maybe you failed on the advertising. Maybe it's the pricing. Maybe it's the way you titled the product or service. Maybe the product or service is not that clear for the individuals you're trying to sell to. But it doesn't necessarily mean you should give up on your product or service. And if digital marketing is making you nervous, contact Southern Web Service, and that's southernwebservice.com. But you can do it. The reason why I know you can do it is because so many people have done it. And you just got to discover a way to do it the way you do it. I have 6 ways that I tell people about monetizing their presence on the internet. And right below this video is going to take you to a book on Amazon that I wrote about this process. I suggest that you pick it up. Not only does it give you the 6 ways that you can monetize your presence on the internet, it walks you through on exactly how to do it. But the tips I've delivered in this video alone can literally help you along the way. And another thing that'll help you is subscribing to the YouTube channel, because I'm literally coming out with new information every single day that will help you make money online and master your mind. The fact of the matter is, I don't work for anybody, and I got hundreds of companies under my belt that I've helped build their business on the internet. Companies that are doing a couple of thousand, couple of 100,000, couple million. We have even a billion-dollar corporation up under our portfolio. So when I'm talking to you, I'm not talking to you like one of these people out here that has never done it. Shit is all I do. Robbie Cornelius is always encouraging you to master your mind and make money online.